Hi everyone, today we'll uncover the nutritional benefits of both roti and rice and explore which one is better for weight loss. We'll also learn the right way to include them in your diet for maximum results. Plus, we'll share some important precautions to help you make smarter eating choices. Let's start with roti. A staple in our households, roti is made from whole wheat or multigrain flour. It's rich in dietary fiber, which is great for digestion and helps you feel full for longer. This makes roti an excellent choice if you are trying to manage your calorie intake and avoid snacking between meals. Multigrain roti also has a low glycemic index compared to rice, meaning it releases energy slowly, keeping you energized throughout the day. It's particularly good for people with diabetes or those looking for long-lasting energy. Now, let's talk about rice. Rice often gets a bad reputation because it's high in carbs. But here's the truth, not all carbs are bad. Rice is naturally gluten-free, making it an excellent option for people with gluten sensitivity or digestive issues. Unlike roti, rice is lighter on the stomach and gets digested quickly. This is why many people prefer a bowl of rice for dinner or after a long, tiring day. For those trying to lose weight, portion control is key. Whether you prefer roti or rice, eating them the right way is the key to your weight loss journey. Pairing them with protein and fiber is non-negotiable. Protein-rich foods like dal, lentils, paneer or tofu help keep you full and prevent overeating. Adding vegetables ensures you're getting essential vitamins and minerals along with a good dose of fiber. If you are eating roti, avoid smothering it with too much amount of ghee. Limited amount of ghee helps in raising blood glucose levels gradually and avoids sudden spikes. And if rice is your choice, simple boiled or steamed rice is the way to go. Remember, your plate should be balanced, half vegetables, 1/4 protein, and 1/4 roti or rice. Now, let's talk about precautions. Portion size matters. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if you eat too much. Stick to 1 to 2 small rotis or 1 small bowl of rice per meal. Avoid eating rice late at night, especially if you're inactive, as it digests quickly and may leave you feeling hungry again. If you have gluten sensitivity or frequently experience bloating, rice might be a better option for you. Always focus on balance. Overloading on carbs without enough protein and vegetables can lead to energy crashes and hunger pangs later. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for something that keeps you full longer, roti wins the race with its fiber content. But if you want a light, easy to digest option, rice is the better choice. For weight loss, rice in small portions can be more effective because it's gluten-free and doesn't weigh you down. However, it all comes down to how you eat them. Combine them with protein, keep your portions small, and balance your plate. This is the real secret to weight loss. In the end, roti and rice both have their unique benefits. The key is to choose the one that suits your body and lifestyle. Rice can be a better choice for weight loss if eaten in small amounts because it's light, gluten-free, and digests easily. But don't forget, balance and moderation are everything. Here's a quick recap of what we learned today. Roti is packed with fiber, helping you stay full longer and making it a great choice for sustained energy. On the other hand, rice is gluten-free, easy on the stomach, and perfect for light meals or when you need quick energy. Remember, portion control is crucial. Stick to small servings to keep things in check. Always pair your roti or rice with protein and vegetables for a well-rounded meal. And for weight loss, rice might have a slight edge due to its digestibility, but the real key to success is balance and moderation in your diet. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. And that's a wrap for today's video. Whether you choose roti or rice, Remember, the key is balancing your portions and pairing them with the right nutrients. Make sure to listen to your body and pick the option that works best for your lifestyle. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we shall see you in the next one.